Longines mechanical pocket watch. Made in Switzerland. This rare vintage, mechanical movement Longines pocket watch is a vintage pocket watch manufactured by Longines circa 1968. It is a two-hand watch with a minimalist design and Roman numerals on the dial, manual winding, and a stainless steel case. The dial is in excellent original condition. There is a serial number on the back of the watch, 16135582. A neat chain loop gives the case a sleek look. The crown is recessed halfway into the case to protect it from external damage, and sits neatly at the 6 o'clock mark. Manufactured in Switzerland. The watch has a beautiful design characteristic of the era, and would be a great addition to a collection, or a stylish accessory for everyday use. The original Swiss movement ensures the reliability and accuracy of the watch, and the hand winding adds a special retro charm. To buy a Longines watch, visit the website watchlegend.com.